Hello and welcome. This is the 30-day meditation challenge, and today is day 24. Today I want to show you what you can do if you only have 5 minutes. I'm going to guide you through a 5-minute exercise, and if you listen to it a couple of times, you'll have it down and you'll be able to do it on your own. One of the biggest complaints I hear from people is, I just don't have time. I can't find the time in my day. If you can't find 5 minutes, then give me a call and I will help you find 5 minutes in your day. All right, I'm going to set a timer here as we go through this, but first I will invite you to go ahead and sit down and get comfortable. Kick off your shoes, turn off your phone, whatever you normally do. As I guide you through this 5-minute meditation, please keep in the back of your mind that you don't have to do it exactly the way I do it. You can give it your own flair, but here's what you can do when you only have 5 minutes. Take a nice breath. And as you breathe, feel that breath. Direct your awareness to your breathing. Take a couple more breaths, just a little deeper than you normally breathe. And as you do, notice how that feels. Check in with your body. Feel the expansion on your inhale. And listen for that exhale, or feel that exhale. Make sure you exhale completely, at least for your first few breaths. Keep breathing here, just a couple more. Gently bringing your mind to where your body is. Gently landing your mind on your breathing and following that breath on the rise and the fall. So that's just a little over a minute. Now bring your awareness to your face and become aware of how your face feels and if or where you might be holding any tension in your face. So notice your forehead, your eyes, your eyelids, your cheeks, your tongue, your mouth, your jaws. Make sure there's space between your teeth. One big inhale, and as you exhale, see if you can let your face go limp and just relax. That's 2 minutes. Next, let your awareness drift down to your shoulders and just bring your mind to where your shoulders are. How do they feel? What happens if you take a nice big inhale here and squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears as you inhale? And then as you exhale, you let those shoulders drop down away from your ears. What does that feel like? Maybe repeat that a time or two. And just let those shoulders release. That's 3 minutes. Now let your awareness drift down to your midsection, your belly, your back. Take a full breath into your belly so that your belly expands. And exhale, slow down that exhale, stretch it out a little, exhale completely. Couple more breaths, breathing into the belly. And as you exhale, sort of mentally direct your belly and your back to relax and release tension. That's 4 minutes. Now allow your mind to wander downward through your hips, through your legs, through your ankles, and into your feet. Bring your awareness to your feet. Just notice how they feel. If it helps you hold your awareness on your feet, you can wiggle your toes gently and just breathe. Breathe and relax and just be. Just breathe, friend. Just breathe. And that's 5 minutes. Good job. Feel free to stay here as long as you'd like if you're comfortable. I'm going to say goodbye. I will be back tomorrow, and I'll see you then.